Simultaneous equations. Okay, so before solving simultaneous equations, we need to understand few terms. The first thing is linear. What do we mean by linear? Linear means a straight line. So any straight line means the linear system, right? So let's say this is a straight line, or this is a straight line, or this is a straight line. So any straight line is linear. In non-linear system, it is a curve. It can be a quadratic curve, cubic curve, exponential curve, logarithmic curve. Any type of curve is a non-linear system. So quadratic curve is a parabola. Cubic curve is something like that. You have some exponential curve, you have logarithmic curve. So any curve is the non-linear system. Linear system, the only straight line, right? Straight line is always the linear system and curve is always a non-linear system, right? Okay, now let's talk about the types of systems. So basically there are two types of systems, right? So the first type of system is linear and linear system. When you have linear system, you have one solution. Linear means the first equation is linear, the straight line. The second equation is also linear, a straight line. So it has only one solution, one point of intersection, right? Now, in some cases in exam, you have given the linear and non-linear system. Means one is a curve, let's say a parabola, and other is a straight line. If you have such non-linear system, then a linear and non-linear system, then you have more than one solution. This is a solution and this is a solution, right? You have more than one solution. In linear system, when you have a two straight lines, then you have one solution. And in linear and non-linear system, when you have given one curve and one straight line, you have more than one solution, right? So you need to understand that if for linear system, only one solution you will get in your answer, but in linear non-linear system, you will get more than one solution in your answer, right? Okay, now let's talk about methods to solve simultaneous equations. Basically, there are three different types of methods to solve simultaneous equations, right? So the first method is elimination. The second one is substitution. So elimination and substitution, these are algebraic method. Algebraic methods. And there is a graphical method as well. So algebraic methods can be solved by the method of elimination or the method of substitution. There are two ways to solve the system of simultaneous equations: algebraically by the method of elimination or by the method of substitution. And there is only one way to solve it graphically, means you just graph out the two systems, whether both are linear or one is linear and other is non-linear. You have to graph it out and figure out the solutions, right? So in this video, I just explained you what are simultaneous equations, what the term linear means and non-linear means. Linear is always a straight line. Non-linear means any curve. It can be a quadratic, cubic, exponential, logarithmic. Any type of curve is a non-linear system, right? So basically, we deal in O levels and IGCSE mathematics with two types of systems. In some questions, they ask to solve the linear and linear system. Then it is obvious that you will get only one solution. But in some cases, they ask to solve for linear and non-linear system. Means one is a straight line and other is can be a cubic curve, quadratic curve, exponential curve, logarithmic curve. Then you have more than one solutions, right? And there are different ways to solve those systems. If they ask us to solve algebraically, then you can use any method, elimination or substitution, unless or until they specify that you have to solve with the substitution method or elimination method. Or if they ask to solve that system graphically, then you have to use the graphical approach, right? In the next video, I will explain you about the method of elimination, then the substitution and the graphical method. So stay tuned to learn all the three methods. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.